Morning children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about endangered species. Before getting into this topic, let us recall what we learned in previous class. In our previous class, we learned about the reproduction in animals. The reproduction in animal, as you all know, it is divided into two parts. One is asexual and another one is sexual. In sexual reproduction, based on the embryo reproduction, there are two different types of animals. They are oviparous and viviparous. And asexual reproduction had four types. In asexual reproduction, in which only a single parent gets divided into two new offspring, is known as asexual reproduction. Children, shall we get it into this interesting topic, endangered species? Today we are going to discuss about endangered species. Children, what is species? The word species refers to a group or a type of similar living organism. For an example, humans are a species. The different types of animals, plants and insects are also species. Lions, owl, lizards, butterfly, ants, bees, trees, flowers, even a fruit and vegetable are also a different types of species. Okay children, what is meant by endangered species? Yes, an animals and bats are said to be endangered if its population is less than 50 numbers. Children, a species of animal or plant that is in danger of extinction is endangered species. A species of population is less than 50 numbers is said to be endangered, whereas a species of population is reduced to 0 numbers is said to be an extinction. Extinction means dead, vanished, lost, gone, etc. In India, nearly 132 species of plants and animals are critically endangered. Let's come to know the names of an endangered animals. Yes, snow leopard, Bengal tiger, Asiatic lion, etc. Similarly, plants like umbrella tree, Malabar lily, Rafflesia flower, Indian mallow and muesli plants are endangered. Children, why the species became endangered? Yes, the main reason for endangered species is human being. Children, forests provide food and shelter to animals and bats, etc. But we destroy plants for our needs. Then hunting. Do you know children? Animals like elephant, tiger, rhinoceros are hunted for their horns, skin, teeth, etc. to make valuable products. Up to 50,000 elephants are killed every year. Only 3,000 tigers remaining in the world. And also 3 rhinoceros were killed for a day for their horns, skin and teeth, etc. Next one is population. Children, if hunting and deforestation is prohibited in forest, we can save many species like bats, animals, plants, insects, etc. Many species were died because of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, etc. What is pollution, children? Some chemical substance is mixed with or joined with natural substance is called as pollution. When the chemical and transport smoke is mixed with the atmospheric air, it causes air pollution. Do you know children? Due to the air pollution, some plants and animals are died. If the chemical waste is mixed with the pond, lake, etc., the aquatic animal in that pond, lakes were affected and caused death. If we need to increase the species of aquatic and land animal, we should not pollute the water and also reduce the use of plastics. Do you know children? Some land and aquatic animals are attracted by colors of plastics. They feed it and it may cause death to many species. And natural disasters like flood, cyclone destroys animals like the dinosaurs and also other animals. Then pesticides and chemicals are used for growing crops, but these are poisonous to insects, plants and animals. So children, we should avoid the pesticides and chemicals. We should planting native trees like banyan tree, neem tree, etc. to provide food and shelter to animals and birds. Children, we should buy eco-friendly products only. Eco-friendly products means what? Earth-friendly. These products are not harmful to the environment. It also prevents air, water and also land pollution. Children, we follow these things perfectly. We can save endangered species also. Children, we have already learned about the Project Tiger in 3rd standard, no? Yes, it is to increase the population of tiger in India. It was launched on 1st April 1973. Repeat it again, children. Project Tiger was launched on 1st April 1973. What is Red Data Book, children? Yes, it is a book. It has record of animals and plants which are in the condition of endangered. This book is used for identify about the species and also used to protect the species which are about to extinct. What is Red Data Book, children? Yes, it is a book. It has record of animals and plants which are in the condition of endangered. This book is used for identify about the species and also used to protect the species which are about to extinct. Do you know, children? This book contains color code to identify the species. Shall we say some of the colors and its uses in Red Data Book, children? Yes. Black color. It indicates the extinct species. Children, already we have learned a species which have the population is reduced to zero is said to be extinct. Repeat it again, children. A species which have the population is reduced to zero is said to be extinct species. Next one is red color. It indicates the endangered species. A species which have the population less than 50 numbers is said to be endangered species. A species which have the population less than 50 numbers is said to be the endangered species. Okay, children. Then white color. It indicates the rare species. A species which have the population number less than 10 is said to be rare species. Repeat it again, children. A species which have the population number less than 10 is said to be rare species. Last one is green color. It indicates the endangered animal but started to recover. That means they protect them in to increase the population of specialized species. This red book is maintained by IUCN. The full form of IUCN is International Union for Conservation of Nature. Repeat it again, children. International Union for Conservation of Nature. The red book data help to evaluate the population of particular species. Evaluate means to determine, fix the value of worth of a particular species. Do you know, children, the data given in this book can used at the global level. Global level means what? Yes, global level means world level, worldwide, the whole world. The whole world used this data which is given in this book, and also it gives protective measures. It means this book gives guidelines to implementing protective measures on endangered animals. Okay, children, let's come to revise. When was the Project Tiger initiated? Yes, in 1972. In red data book, which color indicates endangered species? Good. Red color indicates endangered species. What is the full form of IUCN? International Union for Conservation of Nature. Say some colors in red data book, children. Yes, black, red, green and white. Okay, children, I hope all are clear about this topic. Revise the audio once again. See you in the next audio. Thank you, children.